Railway Simulator, Trans-Siberian. Yo. Oh my god, wait, this actually might be a good game. Wait a minute, a railway simulator? Wait a second. What is this? What is happening? What the fuck? What the hell? What the fuck is this? Why is he just going around what the? I thought this was a train simulator. Okay, this game might be a little bit wacky. Here we go. Trans-Siberian Railway Simulator Prologue. Oh no, which one do we do? Oh fuck. I'm flipping a coin, it's too hard. Heads, it's fucking the first one. Okay. Yes, we're gonna skip the tutorial. Real men don't need tutorials. We all know this.
Рада тебя снова видеть. Здорово, что ты вернулся на работу. Когда сходим на чашечку кофе?
Wench. Don't talk to me again, woman. Yo. You're bald. You're bald. You're bald. Baldy. Baldy. No. No, I did not. Give me a drink. Oh my god, dude. I have to walk around the can I just crouch? Can I go under the train? Fuck me. God damn it. I really have to walk around the entire train. Holy fuck. Oh, there she is, boys. Oh, there she is. Our beautiful locomotive. Oh! Oh! I made it erect. How do I start the train? Okay, that did something. Engine's not ready. How the fuck do I move the train? Oh my god. I should have done the tutorial. Operating manual. Okay. Turn on the small compressor switch in the engine room in the second section of the locomotive. The small compressor must be started first. Okay. Can you help me, please? Sir? Sir, please stop staring at me and please help. Please, I don't know how to drive this train. Fuck are you looking at? It's my first day, okay? I'm nervous. Asshole. God. People here are such dicks. I swear to God, chat, I will get this train moving. And I will be a successful locomotive man. Help! Small compressor Trans-Siberian Railway Simulator. Holy fuck, somebody's actually played this game. Holy fuck. That took me like 30 fucking minutes to find. Can I not get a wrench? Fuck you. You didn't help me, asshole. So now we turn on, we do 1 and 2, and this should... Oh, okay. We're making some progress here. Holy fuck. This is so much more complicated than I thought it was gonna be. Dude, I don't know if I can keep up with this. I think I'm just gonna have it like start and then just keep going. We're moving. We're moving. Close all the doors. Close the doors. We're moving. Oh, wait. Fuck. Stop. So what we need to do is we need to slow down. Slow down, and we need to activate this. Why isn't it stopping? Oh my god. Oh my god. The brake handle is unavailable. What the fuck do you mean unavailable? No. Oh, come on. I think we're stopping. Let me get out in front of the train. Let me see if we're stopping. Fuck, it's behind me again. Why doesn't it stop? Okay. Okay, so now we're moving backwards. Okay. Are you stopping? No. Please. Stop moving. Maybe I gotta turn off my compressors. Okay. I have an idea. It's gonna start going forward. I'm gonna go to the I'm gonna go to the railway switch, and I'm gonna run in front of my train, and I'm going to switch it, and it's going to work. I'm a conductor. Choo choo! There it is, that little fucking piece of shit. So now I need to start slowing it down. Fuck. And that should send us backwards. Wait, do I need to switch it again? Oh, fuck, I do. Fuck. This game is so fucking stressful. Why is it so hard, dude? So it's stopped. Okay. Holy shit, chat. I'm actually driving a fucking train. Okay, so now I just need to figure out how to get the railroad cars on. Hey. 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 Fuck you. Fuck you. Dick. Oh my god. This is one of the hardest games I've ever played. And I've beaten Doom and Doom Eternal, okay? That says a lot. We need to go backwards. We're just gonna start at 5. Okay, if I did it correctly, we shouldn't turn. Are we turning right now? We shouldn't be turning. We're not turning. We're not fucking turning! I fucking did it! Okay. I need to slow this fucking thing down. I just want to get past this. I just want to get past it. We need to go to the railway switch. We need to switch it back so we can go to the road cars. And then once we have the railroad cars, we're good to go. So we want to go very slowly. We're going to come to a rolling stop. Because I am terrified. I don't want to die again, dude. And I think we can drive it from this side. Because if we can drive it from this side, then... Stop fucking moving! Holy fuck, we did it! Holy shit, we have so much fucking train shit on us. Okay, we gotta go. We gotta go. To Nordrhein. We're 8.6 kilometers away. Why do I actually kind of like this game? Like, I'm actually so fucking impressed. Choo choo, bitches! Yeah! Let's go! We're slowly speeding up. Wait, here, let me yell at this guy. Here, let's scare him. Get the fuck off the tracks! I hope a car parks on the train tracks. And then I can, like... I'm a train man now.